वेलकम गाइस। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं टॉप एमसीक्यूज जो कि हमेशा नर्सिंग के जो भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम रहते हैं उसमें पूछते हैं, जैसे कि नॉर्सेट है, डीएमईआर है, टीएचएस है, आरआरबी है, ईएसआईसी है। ऐसे जो भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम है उसमें बहुत बार पूछते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। एमसीक्यूज फर्स्ट, in case of delay in transportation of cerebrospinal fluid sample, it should be option A, kept at room temperature, B, refrigerated at 4 degrees Celsius, option C, kept at minus 20 degrees Celsius, D, kept in ice bucket. The correct answer is option A, kept at room temperature. Second question, a 36-year-old female complains of headache and neck pain. Examination by a nurse reveals painful flexion of the neck to the chest, noxal rigidity. This could be due to option A, brain tumor, B, meningitis, C, cerebrovascular accident, D, subdural hematoma. The correct answer is meningitis. Next question. As a part of the assessment of the cranial nerves, the nurse asks the patient to raise the eyebrows, smile, and move the teeth. These actions provide information about which cranial nerve? Option A, facial, B, vagus, 3, olfactory, D, optic. The correct answer is A, facial. Next question. Glasgow Coma Scale has all except A, sensory response, B, eye opening, C, verbal response, D, motor response. The correct answer is A, sensory response. Next question. All among the following investigations can be performed in a patient with a brain tumor except A, CT scan, B, MRI, C, Doppler, D, lumbar puncture. The correct answer is D, lumbar puncture. Next question. Contraindication of lumbar puncture include all except A, raised intracranial pressure, neoplasm, hematoma, headache. The correct option is B, neoplasm. Next question. Optic nerve damage can be assessed through A, ophthalmoscopy, B, slit lamp examination, C, perimetry, D, goniometer. The correct answer is C, perimetry. Next question. The injury of which nerve leads to wrist drop? A, axillary nerve, B, median nerve, C, radial nerve, D, ulnar nerve. The correct answer is C, radial nerve. Next question. Bell's palsy is due to the injury of which cranial nerve? Option A, trigeminal, B, facial, C, trochlear, D, hypoglossal. The correct option is B, facial. Next question. Which of the following is a neural tube defect? A, meningitis, B, meningococcal, C, scoliosis, D, encephalitis. Correct option is B, meningococcal. Next question. The following factor is most important in preventing fetal open neural tube defect. Option A, zinc, B, folic acid, C, vitamin D, D, vitamin E. The correct option is B, folic acid. Which one of the following is the most appropriate addition to the care plan for the patient with Bell's palsy? A, Inspect the buccal pouch for food after eating. B. Advise the patient to drink liquid from a cup. C. Discourage the patient from looking in a mirror. D. Reduce the amount of light within the room. The correct answer is A. Inspect the buccal pouch for food after eating. Next question. The leading cause of cerebrovascular accident is A. Embolism, B. Hypertension, C. Aneurysm, D. Blunt trauma. The correct answer is A. Embolism. Next question. Which of the following complications occur within 24 hours after sustaining an MI? A. Left ventricular aneurysm, B. Ventricular septal rupture, C. Cardiogenic shock, D. Atrial septal rupture. The correct answer is left ventricular aneurysm, option A. Next question. Most common intracranial tumor is A. Glioma, B. Craniopharyngioma, C. Meningoma, D. Retinoblastoma. Correct answer is meningioma. Next question. Leading cause of aortic aneurysm is A. Loss of elasticity, B. Trauma, C. Atherosclerosis, D. Septicemia. The correct answer is B. Trauma. Irreversible injury in the myocardium occur after option A. 15 minutes, B. 30 minutes, C. 45 minutes, D. 60 minutes. The correct answer is A. 15 minutes. The blood vessel responsible for the inferior wall of MI is A. Posterior intraventricular artery, B. Anterior descending artery, C. Circumflex artery, D. Nodal branch. The correct answer is C. Circumflex artery. Next question. Parameters that increase as myocardial oxygen consumption increases are A. Preload, afterload, and peripheral vascular resistance. B. Preload, afterload, and stroke volume. C. Preload, afterload, contractility, and heart rate. D. Preload, afterload, peripheral vascular resistance, and stroke volume. The correct option is C. Preload, afterload, contractility, and heart rate. Next question. Occlusion of the circumflex branch of the coronary artery cause A. Inferior wall infraction. Option A. Inferior wall infraction, B. Anterior wall infraction, C. Lateral wall infraction, D. Septal infraction. The correct answer is D. Septal infraction. Signs and symptoms of myocardial infarction include A. Radiating pain, B. Tachycardia, C. Dyspnea, D. All the above. The correct answer is D. All the above. Early complications of acute myocardial infarction include A. Arrhythmias, B. Contractile dysfunction, C. Myocardial rupture, D. All the above. The correct answer is C. Myocardial rupture. Next question is cranial nerve 8 exists through which of the following? A. Foramina ovale, B. Foramina rotundum, C. Internal ostic meatus, D. Stylomastoid foramen. The correct answer is internal acoustic meatus. Number of muscles in the middle ear. The correct answer is B. 2. Ear lobule is made up of A. Elastic cartilage, B. Hyaline cartilage, C. Fibrocartilage, D. All the above. The correct answer is A. Elastic cartilage. The auditory ossicle are A. the Milius incus and stapes. B. Located in the inner ear. C. Structure that decreases the vibration from the tympanic membrane. D. Connected to the round window. The correct answer is A. The Milius incus and stapes. The auditory tube is also known as A. Middle ear. B. Eustachian tube. C. Inner ear. D. External ear. The correct answer is D. External ear. The structure that opens into the pharynx and enables air pressure to be equalized between the middle ear and the outside. A. Oval window. B. Round window. C. Eustachian tube. D. Auditory ossicle. The correct answer is C. Eustachian tube. Auditory tube open into A. Oropharynx. B. Nasopharynx. C. Trachea. D. Esophagus. The correct answer is B. Nasopharynx. Nasopharynx is lined by which epithelium? A. Ciliated columnar. B. Stratified squamous keratinized. C. Stratified squamous non-keratinized. D. Cuboidal. The correct answer is A. Ciliated columnar. 8 cranial nerve affects A. Taste. B. Equilibrium. C. Touch. D. Smell. The correct answer is B. Equilibrium. Labyrinth is also known as A. Ear pinna. B. Middle ear. C. Inner ear. D. Semicircle canal. The correct answer is C. Inner ear. The oval window is adjacent to which ear ossicle? A. Malleus. B. Incus. C. Stapes. D. None of the above. The correct answer is D. None of the above. Epistaxis management include all except applying pressure by pinching the nose. B. Applying ice over the nose. C. Allowing the patient to sneeze. D. Keeping the patient in a sitting position with the head flexed. The correct option is C. Allowing the patient to sneeze. Vertigo is due to a problem in A. External ear. B. Middle ear. C. Inner ear. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Inner ear. Which of the following is an unexpected finding on otoscopic examination of the ear? A. Malleus visible behind the tympanic membrane. Option B. Pearl gray tympanic membrane. C. Flaky skin in the external ear canal. D. Black cerumen occluding the ear canal. The correct answer is D. Black cerumen occluding the ear canal. The ear bones that transmit the sound are situated in A. Middle ear. B. Outer ear. C. Inner ear. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Middle ear.